everyone, Gagajoy, Gagajoy's Cooking, and today we're going to be making my cranberry salad. You may make yours like this, you may make it different, everybody is different, but I would show you how I make mine. I'm starting with 2 cups of boiling water, and I use the cranberry jelly. And I normally can't find it, but if I can, I use raspberry or cherry. And they're both just wonderful. And I know a lot of Jello recipes don't go over, but I'm going to tell you, if you don't use this one, you're missing out on a whole lot. I've been making it now for 58 years. My mother-in-law. This is my mother-in-law's recipe. And my mother we just always had cranberry salad, just a can of cranberries, which we love too. And I do love cranberries. So just stir it till you can't feel the granules there, and it's done. Now, I do my own cranberries. This is 1 bag of cranberries. I put it on the I wash them real good and go through and make sure there's not any bad ones. And put it on the stove and put it on high for about a minute till they start to pop. And then I put it on low. I also put 2 cups of water in it. And if it's on low, you maybe about 20 minutes. It still has a little bit of liquid on it, but you need it. And I'm guessing this is probably 2 cups cooked. It's a bag, whatever it is. Now you can use canned cranberry sauce. I had used that before when I couldn't find cranberries. A cup of nuts. A cup of oranges. I do like the oranges, but you can use the little cans of mandarin oranges. I actually ate some last weekend. It was very good. So it's actually just the things you like. I stepped out like and I put an apple in it. Yellow, delicious apple, because it's sweet. And the cranberries, I put a half cup of sugar while they're cooking. You could put more, but I don't. This still is a little bit tart, and that's the way we prefer it. But if you want a little bit sweeter, that would be fine. This is just really the things that you like with meat. And sometimes I make it if I'm having a roast, because it is so good with any kind of meat. I'm just slicing up an apple. I never have any left over for the leftovers, so everybody just goes for that cranberry sauce. My son-in-law especially, he loves it. And there it is. It's full of good things. Bag of cranberries, half cup of water. I let it cook for about 20 minutes. And 2 packages or 1 big package of Jello, cranberry, raspberry, cherry. And you only use the half of it. It's only the hot water you use. When you don't put any cold water in this, like it's usually 1 cup of water, hot water, 1 cup. You only use the hot water. And that's it. And we are in business. After you make it for a while, you know the perfect dish. Are you like that? I have perfect dishes for everything, and if I don't have it, I'm going to look for it till I find it. Well, there's my cranberry salad. I hope you try this at one of your dinners. I know you'll love it if you like cranberries. Now, if you don't like cranberries, you're in trouble. Yeah, you are. So, take care of yourself. With the holidays coming up, we have a lot to be thankful for every hour of the day. Take care of yourself. I'll see you soon. And remember the joy.